Yo, what is up, everybody? How are we doing today? 1 second. Let me pin this to the profile. And then let me go ahead and retweet this real quick. All right. All right. Well, if you guys can tell by the title of this one, let me put this on mute. If you guys can tell by the title of this one, we have integrated API access for HERMES and OPENCLAW. I think is it HERMES and OPENCLAW? I want to say it is. Same thing, essentially. 1 second. Let me just triple check this. Oh, HERMES. Yeah. So we have HERMES. OPENCLAW will be there as well. Boom, but you can see here, we have all of this right here. Connect your HERMES agent. One click to create API key with the right permissions, then paste the prompt into HERMES so I can install the skills and verify the connections. So I know that I've been talking about how our platform, let me make sure we're having pump real quick. I totally forget. I just get too excited. Okay, we are. I know we're talking about how our platform is we have an agent, you don't need an API key. But the future is a lot of this agent stuff and OPENCLAWs and HERMES and all the different harnesses that allow agents to kind of roam free. It's the future. A lot of people are going to be doing them. So it's important to have this as well. So if you have a HERMES agent, which both me and Nick have, so this is our first one, we can also, if there's enough demand for it, add in the OPENCLAW as well. Because I'm sure it's not too much different. We just don't have an OPENCLAW, so we don't need an API key for it, just HERMES. So we have that there. So if you have a HERMES set up on your device, if you have a HERMES set up on your device, definitely try out the API. Let us know how that is. We're in a great little sprint right now. If you guys don't know who we are, if you guys don't know much about us, and you're watching on Pump, or maybe you're watching on YouTube, or maybe you're watching here on X. If you guys don't know who we are Clipit. I am Jordan. And this is about to play. Oh no, it's not. I am Jordan, CEO founder of Clipit, and essentially we are your content creation, right? So you'll be able to take your long form content and cut up into short form clips. You can take it from YouTube. We can take it from Google Drive links, X, Twitch, Pump.fun. We can all take that. And then from there, you'll be able to get high production, quality caption cut clips within our platform. Sorry. So that's kind of who we are, what we're doing. We're in the Pump.fun hackathon. We've been building this out. We've also, we started off kind of as, basic features. You can do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And we're kind of hitting our stride now in terms of what we are building and the features and the roadmap that we have. So just a little update for you guys that don't know who we are. That's kind of who we are, what we're doing, what we're building. And for all of our community members that have been with us for a while, little update on the roadmap. As you guys know, Remotion was one of the biggest lifts we did. And Nick has been kind of heads down, grinding this out and chipping away at our roadmap. So one of the biggest things that we have is social integration. So you're now able to link up your social accounts to Clipit. Just publish your schedule, and you can go to publish, and you can start linking your accounts here, tracking analytics, all of that. So that has been integrated as well. That's one of the most recent big lifts that we did, is kind of allow people to be able to schedule and publish directly with our site, because I think that's very important. And yeah, and we kind of been working on the agent, how to improve the agent experience, and we're just kind of chipping away at features here and there to optimize the experience. We've been getting a lot of great feedback from you guys, and that is some stuff that we take into account when we make all these big pushes. So that's kind of what we've been working on, we've been building out. I just want to show you guys some of that today. I know I'll have to check and see. I know Nick was talking about something with trying to connect to X. We have the oh, I should have switched the account. Let's see. Not available yet. Okay, so we have the X API developer, like the X developer profile, whatever it's called. And Nick has wired it in, but we think there is a whatchamacallit on it. I think there's a little bit of a wait time on it, just because of it's all wired in. We just haven't gotten anything, right? We're not able to actually link it up. So I think that's what that is, but X will be one of the sites that you'll be able to schedule and publish to. Also, just trying to dial in just various different feedback that we've been getting, anything from user experience to a bug or whatever it may be. We've also just been kind of trying to dial it all in and make sure that the site is the best possible product for all you guys. So that's kind of what's been going on, what we've been doing. And if you guys are new to kind of how the stream is, I do a couple of things. I show you guys how to use the platform. Maybe we'll find some stuff. Typically what I'll do is I'll literally just go onto X and we'll just kind of scroll here. Here we go, right? So here's a good one. We'll just literally grab some of these. We will copy the link and paste it directly on our platform. And then from there, we can start clipping videos. And I think it'd be fun today to try and show you guys that you can post. Again, we'll post it on one of our channels. Yeah. I think we need to find a different one for, that's cool. Talk to your OpenClaw over a hack. Whoops. I think we need to find a different one for, because I have, the one I have hooked up right now is this thread guy one, which we might just change it. Huh. Let's try this. Clips by Clipit. Made with Clipit.dev. Nice. How do you see Clipit.dev? I think I already have that though. Clips. Clipit.clips. Clipit.dev clips. Maybe. No, we'll do clips dot clipit dot clips. Oh, clipit dot dev. I already had. Hang on. Hold a minute. Just wait 1 second. I am confused on something. I thought that that was already one of our accounts. If not, we'll just grab that. Oh no, so we'll just do, yeah. We'll grab this one too. do clips made with Clipit.dev. Confirm. All right, well, we need that one too. So I'm chilling with that. Perfect. Okay, so we can post that one. Oh, hang on, edit profile. Okay, so that should be good. Yeah, perfect. We can start posting on it now because this is the one I have connected to here. So let's do it. Let's go 60 seconds. 30 seconds. We'll go 60 by 9. We'll put this on X, TikTok viral, and then we'll go educational because I think this is the best type of, the best for that source video. Another big important thing too is kind of if you know a rough idea of what your source video is, definitely recommend that you guys try and tailor the prompt based around if you have a good idea of what the prompt is. Sorry, not the prompt, but what the video contains. Because obviously, if you have a video that's funny, strictly funny content, and you're asking for educational content, like you probably won't get the best outputs. So if you can kind of match your prompt, you can also custom prompt as well. But if you can also kind of just match your prompting to what the video is, definitely going to help you guys with the outputs. I mean, you can also just like viral clips. That should also help you guys as well. So not a huge, I mean, just a little, the more you know about our platform. We've definitely built it out in a way that it shouldn't matter as much. You should get good clips, but it definitely helps to do that. So just want to kind of put that out there. So now you can see our clips are processing. So yeah, that's kind of how these are all working. Let's see, Pumpkin Spotlight. Damn, Pumpkin's up 600%. That's crazy. Here's another video. Huberman posted some stuff. This is sick. I saw this. Clipped a bunch from that video as well. But let's check out. We show some clips. Yeah, there we go. We'll put these on so I can actually hear it now. Okay. So let's now check out our first clip. There you go.
Right? Like you're not, in the past, we would go and just use SaaS, right? Yeah. Now it's like the work is getting done in the terminal.
Nailed it. Again, it's becoming the interface for work for everything.
Yeah.
I don't know if you remember our first episode.
That's
like
right.
Cursor was like
you were right.
Yeah.
So you said, what I think your exact words were something like
yeah, but I think the mistake I made was I said Cursor.
That's what you said.
Yeah, Cursor is the interface of work, or it's the future of the interface of work. I would say now terminal. The terminal is the interface of work. We were early. We were early. Like we're like, markdowns are gonna become a thing. You're gonna do all your work in Cursor, all of it in terminal.
People thought we were crazy.
Yeah, like.
I do.
I mean, today, man. Everyone,
and we're showing you this,
is done in a terminal.
This is probably like, you guys are crazy.
100%.
Yeah.
Another thing.
So we have that one. Let's check out this one. It takes time, taste, and skill. Okay.
Time. It takes time, taste, and skill to know what you got to do and how to do it. Right? It's like we made it so easy to achieve the tasks. How do you give the agents the right direction and approach to say, here's how you need to do it? the taste is what we know. We've been
Yeah.
talking
So one
about
thing I'm
for-
gonna show you guys here.
Yeah. And
No, one thing I'm gonna show you guys here is for the cropping. One thing that we're moving to, and I have this in the kind of new UI that we're redoing, is you're gonna be able to this is a great example for what I mean by cropping and how I want things to be cropped in the future. So in the future, when we have our cropping system fully built out, you'll be able to do something like this. Draw a box around here, draw a box around here, stack them, and then crop this center section and put it on the bottom for like a reel, a 9x16. So that's kind of the direction they're moving with the cropping. So right now, if know your source video, right now, in the future, you won't have to really know much about your source video. It definitely, I mean, let's take it back. You should know about your source video and what you're putting into the platform. That way you get the best outputs. I'm not saying you have to know exactly what it's about, what they're talking about, but know what aspect ratios it's shot in, how many people are in the video, what does it make, stuff like that, so that you can better get better cropping, all that stuff. So let's see. This is the one that's ranked the highest. Let's see this. More agents will visit websites than humans.
Is that more agents are going to actually visit websites than humans?
I mean, that's I'm 100% certain of that. It's not even, you know, I saw that Gartner had a research report that said 20% of commerce on the internet by 2030 will be agents, meaning like agents are buying things. You know, that the tail, or what's the how do I say this? Basically, where it's going is agents doing more and more things. So obviously, yeah, there's going to be way more agents than humans. Therefore, there's going to be way more consumption of agents of products.
Yeah. And it's like the multiplier effect too, right? Because you have people running multiple OpenClaws or multiple agents
on
behalf of one person. And who was it? There was a report saying, I don't know if they were serious, but they're saying, yeah, we should put a tax on agents, right? Because it's like,
it's probably gonna happen.
Yeah, it's making us more productive. There's a whole.
Okay, so this is a great clip. I just think we need to extend it a little bit. I literally think we just need to extend it a little bit. All right. Okay, we'll extend it there because I think they finished the thought there pretty well. But that's the only thing. If you guys that's all you have to do to extend a clip or cut a clip if you need. And there's gonna be a lot more fun. I mean, so okay, there's gonna be a whole new refreshed UI, and I really want it. I really don't think it's gonna be much of a barrier in terms of relearning stuff. I don't think that's gonna be an issue. I think it's gonna be simpler. I think there's gonna be some stuff that and it'll be good to know. If you guys are like, well, I kind of liked how it was before. But ultimately the redesign has essentially just been something that I have been building a list of bugs and quality of life improvements and stuff that I've been hearing from people, put it into a list, and then really thinking about it as I design the new front end. So all of it is with the intent of keeping it the same. The main flow's the same, but just simplifying it better so that new people are able to have no problem coming to the site. I think one of the things that I want to improve is the people that use the site almost on a day-to-day basis have a really good feel and flow to using the site. But I think there's some barriers around new people coming to the site and how that could hurt or, you know, we lose. I think we lose some people in that loop. So I definitely think that this redesign is going to be good for us. But it's also, I want to hear your guys' feedback and let me know what it is. I mean, I've kind of shared what it's going to be like on here. So talking about the cropping, right? So one of the things that I want to do, right? So you have split, trio. So for instance, for this video, it'd be nice to do 2 and then 1 in the middle there. So that's just one of the things that is kind of coming out. It's actually speeding up really fast. So I'm really excited. But let's watch the rest of this clip.
The thesis is that more agents are going to actually visit websites than humans.
Mm-hmm. I mean, that's I'm 100% certain
Yeah.
of that. It's not even, you know, I saw that Gartner had a research report that said 20% of commerce on the internet by 2030 will be agents, meaning like agents are buying things. You know, that the tail, or what's the how do I say this? Basically, where it's going is agents doing more and more things. So obviously, yeah, there's be way more agents than humans. Therefore, there's going to be way more consumption of agents of products.
Yeah,
we'll kind of get
and it's like the multiplier effect too, right? Because you have people running multiple OpenClaws or multiple agents
exactly
on behalf of one person. And who was it? There was a report saying, I don't know if it was serious, but they're saying, yeah, we should put a tax on agents, right? Because it's like, yeah, it's making us more productive. There's a whole
think about human beings. If you're running a company and you want to hire someone, you have to pay payroll tax on that person, right? Yeah. So of course, then, you know, governments are going to be like, well, it's kind of like you're hiring a person. Therefore, there should be some taxes that, you know, agents have to pay.
There's an arbitrage opportunity right there, right? Like you as a single human now have an army of agents working for you on your behalf. There are a multiplier effect of what your income is or whatever it is you're doing, more productive. Yeah, whereas like, you know, you're making more money. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised at some point we have some agent tax. It's like on your taxes, like list out the agents you have.
All right. This is a pretty good clip. So what we're going to do here is just because X isn't, we have to wait for essentially the X API to be, I guess it would be verified, maybe? I don't know. Approved, I guess. We'll manually post this. And maybe we'll put it on this one. Yeah, maybe we'll put it on this one. Yeah, maybe we'll put it on this one. Clipped by Clipit dev. Clipped from Greg. Nice. There we go. All right. And then wait for the download. Download. All right. Clip is there. I just want to verify it over here. Oh. Sweet. Got it. So it is verified, and I will show you guys that here. All right. And here's the clip.
More agents are going to actually visit websites than humans.
I mean, that's I'm 100%.
Okay, there we go. We'll post that sucker. That one's posted. I want to then. Clipit is free beta. Make your clicks today. All right. We'll just put that one on there. But yeah, so there's a full clip.
There's going to be way more agents than humans. Therefore, there's going to be way more consumption of agents of products.
Yeah. It's like the multiplier effect too, right? Because you have
Sweet.
people running multiple OpenClaws.
We're 25 minutes in and got a
Exactly.
clip.
On
We have a
behalf
bunch
of
of
one
clips,
person.
but there's one already posted.
And who was it? There was a report saying, I don't know if they were serious, but they're saying, yeah, we should put a tax on agents, right? Because it's like, yeah, it's making us more productive. There's a whole
think about human beings, right? Like
So maybe I'll tag both of these dudes in here. This was 51 minutes ago. So we'll grab this dude. I'm just gonna put that over here, and then I want to grab his other, this one. All right, and then we're gonna go back over here. Go back over here. Feet. That's at. Oops. Oh, you're joking. And it was like at a. You're joking. Hold up. Greg. There we go. Oh. Yeah. I need this dude. There it is. Okay. I can go back here. There. Maybe later. There we go. All right. So that's now golden. But yeah. So that clip is now set to yeah. So let's see if we can find another video that may be better for the TikTok so that we can schedule it in the TikTok. So that's our goal, is we're gonna scroll and see if we can find something that will be good for. I mean, where's yeah, there we go. What's happening? Is this? No, that one I don't think I'll be too good. Here we go. This is exactly what we're gonna do. Is this a full video? This is 1 hour ago. 7 hours ago. It's this video, isn't it? Okay, there we go. All right. That's long, dude. Well, this is exactly what we need. So we're gonna make quite a few. We're gonna make some 16:9 to post on the TikTok. We're gonna make some 16:9. Sorry, 9:16 for TikTok. We're gonna make some 16:9 for X, because it's Mr. Beast, and this dude is so cracked and good at what he does that anything that mentions him is yeah. So I think what we're gonna do is we'll go 60 seconds first. We'll go 16:9 for X. We'll go HERMES is fine. We'll go viral hooks, and then what I'll do is we'll find some clips that we like, and then we'll have Clippy, the agent, within our platform. From there, I will have it make 30-second clips for 16:9. Sorry, 9:16 for Twitter. Not Twitter, sorry, TikTok. My brain is just mush right now. But I think that's the goal, is to do that. So we'll do that. Publish directly from the platform now, which will be nice. And then we'll kind of track the analytics and just keep posting clips. I didn't even know he dropped this video though. I think this isn't going to be views. Mr. Beast is wrong. Yeah, Obsession of Doom is crazy. Okay, look at that. I already have quite a few clips in here. What is this one? Your videos suck, and here's the truth. Why thumbnails don't matter anymore? Oh, so before you, what is the thumbnail? What is the video? And then what is? Okay. Let's get some Mr. Beast magic in here. Let's see. This dude should be studied. Like, he should teach classes on this stuff. I'm sure, like, can you imagine if he charged people? Can you imagine if he did a challenge? It was like, you have 60 days to prove to me that you can be a part of this class. And here's what you got to do. And they're like, it's like Survivor. That'd be funny. Okay, let's see.
Your videos suck. You think your videos are good, but they suck. They just do. And the sooner you learn how to make great videos that people actually want to watch, the sooner you'll get views.
Wait, hold up. Did he just have? Did he just put a bunch of captions on this whole video?
And they watched go so hardcore. And then it feels like a fight.
Okay. Wow. What is this one? So there's just, dang. So he has captions already on that. I mean, is this all that's here? All right. Well, we can just turn him off, I guess.
I think is the biggest takeaway, because like when I was 14, I thought my videos were the best in the world. They weren't. They're terrible. Many people are making way better videos than me, but I didn't think that. Your videos suck. You think your videos are good, but they suck.
Okay, good to know that these are.
Your videos suck. You think your videos are good, but they suck. They just do. And the sooner you learn how to make great videos that people actually want to watch, the sooner you'll get views. I think is the biggest takeaway, because like when I was 14, I thought my videos were the best in the world. They weren't. They're terrible. Many people are making way better videos than me, but I didn't think that. I think, to be successful, you kind of have to have a little bit of that ego where you're like, my content's great. You got to believe in it. But also, like, if you have sub 1,000 subscribers, like, there's a good probability your videos just suck. They just do. And you need to make hundreds of videos, or 100 videos. I don't know. It depends on the difficulty of your videos. Improve something every time, and just like get to the point where they don't. When you make good content, you'll blow up. It's not the algorithm. It's not anything. It's just like me and most people who are in my position, you just make terrible videos, and that's okay, because you got to make a bunch of videos and improve over time to be great. Like, you don't just pick up a baseball and become an MLB level athlete within a year.
That's a great analogy. Okay, so we're gonna go to advanced. I think this is a great clip. This is the one, right? Yeah. So then we're gonna turn off the captions, and then I think we're just gonna download this sucker. And then, well, how long was this video exactly? 60 seconds. I mean,
Your videos suck. You think your videos are good.
I think what we'll do here too is we'll go 16:9, and I'm gonna turn the captions on.
But they suck.
Yeah, I think.
They just do. And the sooner you learn how to make great videos that people actually want to watch, the sooner you'll get views. I think is the biggest takeaway, because like when I was 14, I thought my videos were the best in the world. They weren't. They're terrible.
Hold up. I want to see what this looks like. I'm curious. I turned caption off because the dude.
Videos suck. You think your videos are good, but
because if whoever posted this or whatever this is from just put a whole bunch of captions on it anyway, so it just looks dumb to do that. So I think we'll do this real quick. At your, I need a X caption for this video. All right. Let's try possibly. What is this?
There you go. There are tons of viral ideas that people can do that don't require money. It does not require money to go viral. Like at one point, one of my most viewed videos was like spending 24 hours in a desert. We just grabbed a tent, some stuff, and we went in the desert. And it got like 6 million views. I had videos where we spent hardly any money.
Okay, well, that's what we want. Tweak it to be about Mr. Beast, since he is the one who is in the video. All right, let's see, what is this?
I mean, you don't understand, but I mentor a lot of people. I see it even to this day. I still see it all the time. It is possible. It is simply knowledge. And the second you accept that it is knowledge and you start your, for me, 10,000 day journey of learning, for you, whatever it is, if you want to be less hardcore, but, and like actually figuring out, you know, what makes a good video? What does my audience want? How can I elevate? And then you take that knowledge and you just.
Huh. Okay, so let's see if there's anything else. Funny, because that's Mr. Beef, but who is this guy? He just posts clips? Is that what this guy's doing? Looks like it. All right, but there we go. Oh, I think it chose the wrong clip. Make this about Mr. Beast. Caption is, this is good, but it needs to be about Mr. Beast. Okay, we'll do that real quick. Oh, all right. So we're still gonna look. I mean, is there any, I wonder if there's anything else. Today's news. What's happening? Cloud Market's always trending. Cloud.ai recovers from 1 hour outage disrupting logins and code feature. Oh. What is this one?
Funnel is becoming clearer, and it's actually getting very simpler. And so here's the very
Dude, he has a
simple
big
idea, right?
He has
How
a
do you make the
giant
world a better
Bitcoin
place?
on his,
You provide a
like, okay, hang
utilitarian
on. Look at this. Let's look at this picture right now. Look at his house, right? Look at all this. Look at the design, these flowers, these giant paintings, right? And then big old Bitcoin. Dude, this man cannot be real. This is hilarious. Wait. Okay, that's just I was like, why is he it's just the frame of the thing. It's just so funny. Like seeing all this. It's beautiful, but then just like boom, Bitcoin above all of these like ancient looking books. It's just so Michael Saylor. That's hilarious. The problem is like, okay. Okay, we'll just do that. Why not? We'll post this. Should we post on that one? Oh, we'll just post on this one. We're gonna sneeze. Hold up. Sorry about that. I muted it so you guys don't have to hear me. We'll just put on this one again. Why not? Why not? We're just gonna post that sucker. All right.
You think your videos are good, but they suck. They just do. And the sooner you learn how to make good.
It's right there. Yeah. Right? No, it's, or is it? There you go. All right. So yeah, if you guys don't know what Clipit Clips is, that's what it is. We post a lot of our clips there. We've kind of been slacking, but kicking it up a notch now on there. So that's done. We've got this clip on there as well. Okay, so we need one for TikTok. I could do one of these. I mean, let's try this. Let's try this. I'm curious. Let's go 16:9. Maybe we'll go fit and post it on there. I'll do a fit and a fill, see what it looks like, and then we can post it on TikTok. Okay, we'll try this one, and then we'll go fill, and we'll export. Okay, so we have both. I'm curious to see what they are like. Oh wait, did I turn off captions?
Video sucks.
No, I didn't. Well, these are gonna be throwaway anyway, so that sucks. Turn this off. Whoops. 9:16 fit. Or we'll go fit will be no captions. Fill will be with captions because I want to see if we can there. And then fill will be with captions. Okay, so these are no bueno, but these should be good. Did I download one? Did I download the other one? I don't remember. We'll see what this one is, and then I can check. All right. So we'll kind of check this out, see how it's going. Okay, download.
Your videos suck. You think your videos are good, but they suck. They just do. And the sooner you learn how to make great videos that people actually want to watch,
it looks good. It looks good in the frame. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys. Stop screen, share screen, window. But you guys can see, like, it's good, the framing, but just because I was hoping to go, but it's not. So, share screen, entire screen, boom. All right, we're good. We're back. Oh shoot, I don't remember which one it was. Oh no.
Your videos suck. You think your videos are good.
Same one. This one. Number 3.
Your videos suck. You think your videos are good, but they suck. They just do.
Okay, so I have it. I'll show you guys again. So I have it like this now in fit so that we can just see all those. So we clipped it. It's just, unfortunately, the creator of this video ruined it by having their own captions on there. So now what we're going to do is, first of all, I'm going to go to my library. I want to go to clips real quick. I want to delete the ones that I don't need, which I just need true 3 is the one I need. Where's my clips? There we go. Actually, I think I can go here. We're going to go editor. And then we'll ask Clippy to, I need this. Oh, sorry, your videos suck. I need this clip duplicated and have it be changed to 9:16 fit, not fill, so I can post it on TikTok. Okay, so now we'll use Clippy to, oh, you guys can't even see, dude. Duh. All right, sorry. So what I was trying to do there is schedule it, but I realized that it's still going to be in the 60:9 ratio that I chose. So now I'm having Clippy. I added the video. I said I need this clip duplicated and have it changed to 9:16 fit, not fill, so I can post it on TikTok and do that. So yeah, I think going back to the HERMES integration, I think we might wait to kind of demo that when we get Nick on stream, because I think he'll be able to explain it better. Like, honestly, I think it'll be better to do that. But you guys saw beginning of the stream, we have API key for your HERMES agent to where you can hook your HERMES up to Clipit, and it'll be able to use Clipit within there. So if you are an API warrior and you love to hook stuff up to your HERMES, we have that. If you're just somebody who doesn't want to have to worry about setting up an agent, we have an agent built into the platform where you don't even need an API key. You just come to the site, and all you're going to do is start talking to the agent, and it's going to help you. So yeah, that's kind of the two directions you can go with this. So we'll kind of wait for Clippy here to regenerate our clip. We'll get that bad boy posted, and it should be on. All right. So we're at 50%. All right. Let's see here. So from here, we'll just post it directly to TikTok. It'll be good. Good to rock and roll. All right. But all right. Like I said, we're still dialing in this chat window. So it's supposed to be duplicating it, and then supposed to be duplicating the clip and then setting it to fit, which will solve our issue. All right. 50%. Yeah. I like stuck. All right. What else is going on? What is this? 5 hours and 5 minutes. So this is exactly what I want to be able to do, is stack these suckers. That'll be fun. Human. 50%. That's cool. Open source too. Nice. Agent Hermes. Their branding is so sick. Dude, it's so sick. Browser base you if your agent configure monitor browse skills. iMessage support. What? Apple's messaging ecosystem. Okay. Sick. Fast mode. Wow. Lower latency, huh? Oh, nice. Terma. Okay, I gotta look that up because I'm using Discord to do that on my HERMES. Look at this clip.
Be at
What?
risk. I partnered with ESPN to do what was called the NBA Schedule Alert Project, where they asked, can you predict, Dr. Ma, when NBA teams are going to be at risk of losing games strictly based on the schedule?
Did it do it? It's doing something. This is crazy though. Hold up.
So not factoring in strength of team, but based simply on their schedule, where they're traveling to, how many time zones they're crossing, these various factors. Does it affect organizations as a whole and teams and their game outcomes, as you mentioned? And over 3 seasons, I was 76 to 86%.
Wow, that's insane.
Predicting when an NBA team will be at highest risk of losing strictly based on the schedule. So in the spirit of the project,
crazy.
We didn't factor in strength of team. But to me, that was staggering because there's many other factors that maybe are not always considered to be.
Dude, that's insane. So you do that just by telling the sleep schedule?
Make it for 8 years. I made videos with no one watching with my brother for 8 years.
But they all exist today.
So I actually, this is one of my biggest regrets in life. I went back and deleted the original batch of YouTube videos that my brother and I made because I was at this point now in 6th grade, right? So I'm 11. I've been making videos with Jake for 2 years. And I went to go show this girl. Her name was Molly. I still remember her name. Molly. I went to go show her our videos. And I was so proud. I was like, these just goofy videos online. I'm editing. I'm uploading. I figured out what it meant.
Right.
I'm uploading these videos. And I showed this girl Molly. And she's like, yo, that's so cringe. This is not funny.
Oh no.
And it destroyed me.
Molly.
I was literally like, wait. This girl doesn't like my video. Like girls don't like my videos. This is horrible.
Do girls still like his videos? That's a real question. It says he duplicated the clip.
Your videos suck. You think your videos are good, but
okay. So it says this is it. So let's try publishing schedule. We'll go now. We'll wait for this to load. TikTok. Choose a clip.
your videos suck. You think your videos are good, but they suck. They just do.
Dude, honestly, that's fine. This is a good test video anyway, so you can see it there. Mr. Beast breaks down why your videos suck and what you should do. We're gonna go hashtag FYP, Hashtag Mr. Beast. Hashtag content creator. Why not? All right. So we are going to, what time is it? I'm just gonna go. That's one. So you can schedule it. So it's gonna schedule, and then I'm just gonna press the post button once it gets. What? Come on. Come on. Schedule. Maybe change the time. What? Why is it? Why? I just posted last night. This is what's insane. Okay, come on. Huh. Publish. All right. Why is it? Yeah, these all went through. Must be set in the future. It's set in the future now.
Your videos suck. You think your videos?
No. Okay, I'll ask Nick and see if he's working on something. All right. So yeah, not sure why it's not. Let's see. Schedule. Maybe I'll save draft and try it. Save draft work. What? I hit save draft. Okay, hold up. Something's wrong. It is not. Hang on. Is this right? That's not right. Today. TikTok. All right. Let's see. No. So looks like we have something going on. So I sent over to Nick so we know. But hook up your accounts. Let's publish a schedule. If you have a Hermes agent, go there and test out Clipit with your Hermes agent. Maybe we'll do this on one of the streams with Nick. We'll test it out and see how it goes. But yeah. That being said, y'all, we're moving super fast right now. We have a bunch of great things coming, and I'm very excited. We're gonna just clean up the platform, getting everything dialed in, and adding in things like connecting to your Hermes agent, and stuff like that. So yeah, it's been a blast to build this out with y'all and get great feedback from you guys. And we're only going up. We have our roadmap it's pretty sick, I will say, and I'm excited for what's to come and the steps we're taking to get there. Have kind of been fast tracked, which has been nice. So stay tuned. We have a lot of great stuff coming, and we're only gonna get better and better and better at all of this. If you're a brand, a creator, a company, you're a clipper, and you need short form, you need to maximize your short form content, reach out. I'd love to kind of onboard you guys, get you guys started, and show you guys how to use the platform and how to get the best out of it, because this platform will do a lot for you. and maximize your short form content. And you guys, I'm sure you guys have seen how disruptive short form content is and how it kind of takes over timelines and feeds, and it's kind of just the future of media right now is all these short form content edits and all that. And we're building one of the best tools to do that. And we're not going to stop. So this is the best possible product on the internet for short form content generation, and all that really fun stuff. So that being said, y'all, my name is Jordan, CEO and founder of Clipit. And yeah, I'll be live tomorrow with some fun updates as well. We'll keep chipping away, clipping. We stream every day, Monday to Friday. Same time, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If there's a change, we're gonna push back or anything, there'll be a post saying that. But yeah, reach out if you need anything. Love to help you guys kind of create clips and help you guys with their short form content. So with that being said, y'all, I will catch y'all tomorrow. It's been another great day. So peace.